Yeah, since India has been so used to using music to propagate good ideas, religion, everything, um, are we going to see extensive use of music in the years to come where it will be used more than just something to relax to and can actually pass messages? Or has it been done, or was cinema already using it and we are only going to relearn what we already knew?
Yeah, but it has been done. But these days, when cinema has become the greatest thing and people look to cinema for just entertainment,
Yes.
it's not the in thing, it's not the thing being done.
Okay.
So what the greatest thing that we are losing in cinema is lyrics which are projected in a musical way so that they can reach the people.
That was the idea of writing good lyrics, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely.
It fits in rhythmically and fits in on the meter
And
conveys good sense.
Yeah, and the genius of film music composers, whether it was Naushad, Shankar Jaikishan there, or Madan Mohan, or here Vishwanathan Ramamurthy, or
yes.
K.V. Mahadevan, or G. Ramanathan, was that putting great ideas, great feelings, great passions into music. So that is the romance of life. That is the passion.
That's why I guess people remember snatches of a line that affected them in some way. You know.
Yeah. And if you see in today there is Tamil journalism, when they use a headline, what do? They use a song of the past,
That's
which
true.
they remember because the song
That particular line was
there.
said it all.
Yes. I was at a convent school where children were dancing, presenting their ideas. So ultimately, there was a very 2013 song. Oh, with all, I couldn't understand what was being said except the first 2 or 3 words.
Okay.
So full of rhythm and dance and all that, a lot of sound and fury. But ultimately, they came to the stage with a banner. They say, "Ennavalam illa inda tirunaatil, yen kaiye yenda vendum velinaattil." What are the resources that are not there in this country? Why do you look up outside? That was 2 lines from MGR's song in Vivasai. So that was the ultimate message they had to push forward.
And it came through film music.
Came through film music. That's why it's the tragedy that I feel about the present music in South India is that while we used lyrics, meaningful lyrics in the past, today, I don't know, film music doesn't want to do that. That also meant when Rahman does it, it gives a take it easy policy. Okay. He is sending a message.
Yeah,
so
that's also there.
That's a message. And good music director, he will definitely not do something worthless thing.
Okay.
That I can say. But not that he does that all the time.
I know that.
Not that he does that all the time. But the tragedy is that, sir, today, in South India, see in the north, you will find, say, Baul music in Calcutta. You will find Shyama Sangeet, which is about Ram Prasad.
Yes.
You will find about
bhajans of different types.
So many different.
Veera bhajan,
and in the Bengalis, they have a music genre for every great poet, lyricist.
Okay. Rabindra
Sangeet is there.
Nazrul
Geet is there.
Yeah.
So all these things that's lovely. But here, what happens? You have nothing but film music on one side. On the other side, you have the Carnatic Vidwan. Of course, they are going places, and some of them sing well, and they have a great audience.
We'll get back to bashing them another day. But I want to ask you one thing. This music, which is now being forgotten, which you feel is being forgotten, is it because we are not teaching our kids and are not there in the schools, not there in the temples, not there in Bala, whatever?
No, what I find is...
What is the reason?
The reason is that the passion is missing. For example, you have umpteen channels here.
Yes.
See, once you do a good song, it's not enough that the song is good. It has to reach the people number of
times.
How
did they do it in the old days?
No, because through film songs.
Okay, before that? Before film?
Before that, gramophone was there.
No, before the era of recorded songs. So they sang in sabhas, I suppose.
Okay, they sang. There were bhajans were there. Bhajan Sampradaya was there. All those things were there in the past. But now, what I am saying is that there is not that passion to see that is really good lyrics, with good tunes, with good... They go to the people. And these music, as you mentioned, music has this capacity to simply awaken in man all the great things that are in him. So we must not lose this thing. What it needs is money and a heart to go to. But who will do that?
But in which order? heart, money, heart. I guess go hand by hand, hand in hand together.
Heart and money, because heartlessness goes with money. So either most.
Yeah, so I guess heart and money
As I
together.
should, this thing, NDR sang songs like that, saying that those who have money don't have a heart, and those who have a heart don't have money. So that is the thing that happens. That is some sort of, like Hegel, synthesis and thesis and synthesis that goes on and on. But we have to do that. That is, there's those meaningful things should reach. See, for example, Bob Marley, why do you remember him? Said, no woman, no cry.
Yes.
One line like a mantra.
Yeah. It's been adapted, as you said, recently.
In the recent that hit Arab, no woman, no drive.
No woman, no drive.
How would you adapt it if that hadn't become a hit?
True.
And if you look at Bob Marley, you see the heart, the soul, the damn thing that he puts into it. And
Okay,
that's
so
what
we're going to come one more little episode or session. I'll talk to Vamanan about the music that can still be used, not been forgotten. How do we bring it back?